Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Valentine's Day outfit idea video. As I'm sure you guys are aware, next week is Valentine's Day. I personally love Valentine's Day because it's an excuse to dress up, to go out, to have fun, be it with a partner or a friend. It's a celebration of love. It doesn't have to be romantic. So I have put together some looks for you guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Varying from sexy to sweet to a little bit grungy to my singletons. Don't need no man, don't need no lady. They're just happy by themselves. Or the gaming couple who are gonna stay indoors and play Overcooked on Valentine's Day, which is what me and Tim are gonna do. So hopefully there's a little something for everyone and a little something for you. All of the items I talk about are linked down below. So without further ado, let's get on to the first look. So for these looks, I have tried to use the same items multiple times. So there's loads of ways for you to style different pieces, and it also means you don't have to feel like you need to go out and buy loads of clothes for one day of the year. So the first item that is repeatedly shown is the body that I'm wearing right now. This body is quite frankly the most flattering item of clothing I own. I'm not wearing a bra. So I have styled up this body in a few different ways. The first way I have styled this is in a slightly more casual-ish way. I think this would be really fun for like a girls' night. Also for a date, you know, going out for dinner. It's also great for going out for drinks. I've paired this body with my lilac suit. I think this color and red look absolutely amazing together. It's a mini skirt, a mini suit skirt. And then of course the incredible matching oversized suit jacket. I love these together because of the contrast of the really slim fitting skirt and bodysuit with then this really masculine oversized jacket on top. I think it makes such a cool look. Keeps you a little bit of modesty as well. If you don't want to show all flesh, this just adds a little bit of coverage for you. But of course, if you just want to wear the skirt and the body, babe, just wear the skirt and the body. I would team this look with a pair of trainers. These are the Fila Defenders, I believe, with the brown sole. Whack on a pair of red boots. Oh my God. My red boots were at my dad's house, but I have these, oh my God, I wish I had them. They're like chunky bright red patent boots and they're incredible. I would 100% wear it with this look. I wish I had them. Trainers, or you can go full fun and go for like a statement boot. I wish I had the red ones, but I have these leopard print ones, which I also think would just be so killer. That would look absolutely amazing. Now I want to wear this outfit. And then for an element of fun, you can team it with these sunglasses. I think if I was going on a girls' night for Valentine's Day, I would wear these. Last year, I went clubbing on Valentine's Day and I wore these. So get yourself some heart-shaped sunglasses. I'll try and find something similar and link them down below for you because I bought these a couple of years ago. That's look number one. It's playful, it's fun, but underneath it all, it's a little bit sexy. On Saturday, I'm hosting Valentine's Day at my house and I want to wear this body, but I don't want to be too kind of dressed up, too sexy because it's Valentine's Day. So for my next look, I have teamed it with these incredible flares. Gorgeous, bright blue, super long fitted flares, and they come up really, really high-waisted. These make my legs look crazy long. I wore this exact look clubbing the other day and I got a lot of compliments on it. It went down a treat. So you can always team something a little bit sexier on the top with a pair of jeans just to make it a little bit more casual, chill it out a little bit. And I would probably also team this look with a pair of trainers, perfect for dancing all night, clubbing, a daytime, evening, anything. And this just again keeps it casual but gives you a little bit of elevation with the flares to make your legs look nice and long. If you're going out for an evening, it is definitely not warm enough to wear jeans and a body at the moment. You could go for a bit of a color clash. This is a Misguided suit jacket. It's similar to the ASOS one, but a little bit more affordable, but it does feel cheaper. So bear that in mind. It's a beautiful soft pink. Soft pink and red is just gorgeous. So yeah, that's another option. On Valentine's Day, who could go wrong with a little red dress? This dress is from Misguided. It is bright red. It's got a lovely little cowl neck. It's a satiny super floaty skater skirt. It's got a low back and there's also a little tie that you can do at the side, at the back, at the front, whatever you fancy. This again, I think is so nice for a girls' night, going out dancing. I would pair it with these little low heels. If I'm going dancing, I'm wearing trainers. If I wanted to impress someone and I wanted to wear something a little bit more, you know, not trainer-like, I would whack on a pair of low heels. There is no shame in wearing low heels. I hate wearing heels to clubs. I just don't do it. I feel like I walk like an idiot. I can't make the shapes that I was destined to make if I can't even stand up. Little black heels, red lipstick, you are set. I saw these trousers and I fell slightly in love. High-waisted, again, lilac, really baggy, wide-legged suit trousers. And I just loved the masculine fit of these. And I thought that it could be a really, really cool look with, again, either this bodysuit, or you could go all out purple, 2 different shades of purple, and just team it with a t-shirt and some trainers for a really chilled daytime look with friends, or again, going for like a coffee date. I really like this top. It's a really soft cotton. It's from ASOS and it just says "Fall for Love" on it. Nothing is pink, it's all purple. It's got like that nod to Valentine's Day, but it's not like a full-on Valentine's Day look. There's a lot of purple in this video so far. Purple, red and pink. Next, we're getting a little bit sexy, okay? This skirt from ASOS is probably the sexiest thing I've ever seen. So the front is completely mesh and it looks like a piece of lingerie, but it's not. It is a skirt and it's got the suspender clips at the bottom, so I assume you can clip suspenders if you'd like to. I just let them hang. Super figure hugging, like really tight to the body, and super, super sexy. I would let the skirt probably do all the talking. I would team it with a simple little black bodysuit. It's high neck, so you're not getting boob out, you're just getting leg and arm out. I like to kind of pick and choose what I'm, you know, showing. I don't want to show arms, legs, boobs, everything. I like to choose 1 or 2 things. Again, you do not have to. You can show whatever you want. I would pair this look with my knee-high black leather boots, which I wear so much. You see them on my Instagram all the time. The best investment ever. If you guys don't have a pair of knee-high boots yet, you need to get yourself some. They just elevate every look and make every look super sexy, make your legs look really long. All black outfit for date night. The next fail-safe look would be anything with a slit that shows a little bit of leg, so it's kind of like a bit of a tease, you know? This one from Motel, which you will have seen before, motorbike. It's got this lovely lace top and it is a stunning shiny satin brown with a massive slit that actually goes all the way up to my pants. And to give it a little bit of shape, I would definitely team it with a belt. I would go for this one because I love the chains. I just think it adds a really grungy edge, but you could go for like a plain black belt, and you could either team that with the knee-high boots because obviously the slit comes above the boot, which looks really, really cool. Or you could go full grunge. These are my Gucci boots, my babies, but Koi Footwear make an amazing dupe, so I'll link those down below, as well as obviously the Gucci ones. Or I've got my cherry red Docs, which I also love, super grungy and cool. Or you could go for trainers, you could go for heels, however you feel on the day. I wanted to make an outfit that was cute and festive in the Valentine's Day spirit, but for those of you who aren't going anywhere, you and your partner have had a long week at work and the last thing you want to do is go out. You just want to stay in, you want to order a pizza and you want to chill. So this is my Netflix and chill outfit. The first thing is a pair of men's boxer shorts. These ones are from ASOS and they've got love hearts on them. They're so cute. They're massive. These ones are too big. I got the wrong size. You can wear them really, really high-waisted and they're just like big baggy shorts with pockets. So you can keep all of your candy in there. You could team it with a Calvin sports bra, because I think Calvin Klein sports bras or t-shirt bras or bralettes, whatever, are really sexy. And I actually think this makes such a cute little look. You're comfortable, you're cozy, You got a little bit of flesh on show, or of course you can throw a baggy t-shirt or your boyfriend's hoodie on top to keep you nice and toasty. And then to complete the look, you could put a little love heart scrunchie on, or a red one. I like the one with the hearts. And put your hair in a cute little top bun. Don't do your makeup. Just look adorable and festive, and you don't even need to look like you've tried. I'm personally all about a statement sock, so you could always put some fun socks on. These are some Simpsons ones that say "Be Mine" on them. Or what about "I choose you"? Adorable. You're comfortable, you're cute, and you're ready to order a pizza. So there you go, you guys. Those are a few little suggestions for some Valentine's Day looks. I thought I'd keep them fun, easy, simple, repeat a few items, but everything is linked down below in outfits if you'd like to check any of these pieces out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know which you would wear for Valentine's Day. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.